I am Majuli, adorned with the blissful serenity. I am proud of being the little wonder of the world. I am pristine. I am Majuli. Green chaos is my life. The hanging clouds fills up my heart. Come, have a stroll on my scarlet afternoon sand. I welcome you with a granary full of unfading wealth. That is my love. The elusive path glimpses at the tilling of culture. If you pause for a moment, you will feel the abstract existence of both the gurus, the tune of a new rise that is blended with the air, coming through the pious windows of the satyrs, the divinely sound of khol, daba and mridanga, and there you will see the living mass of Samaguri that can dance in your sky. They may not say the dialogues of the bhaus, still you will understand the dialects of Dashanan or Nrsimha. If the melancholic tune of some conning is wafting in the air, do not worry. Some Kankan on his way back home through the uncanny alley of pristine greens. Autumn is the innate lover of my voguish heart. On the elegant full moon night, the mighty river becomes the Yamuna, and Gokul and Vrindavan on its banks. And there you can see the pleasing smile of Lord Krishna. When you will go back, leaving your footprints on me, my woes flowing with the fluid will try to stop you. Please do not forget me. On the bank of the river I shall wait, and like its waves our dreams will touch our hearts, and they will keep flowing. Please, please do come again.